Hey everyone, it is that time for another Tara's Must-Have. What's a Tara's Must-Have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that is available at temp-tations.com. And I gotta tell you, they're always pretty, they're always practical, and they're always purposeful. And this week combined all of those into one incredible, fun pack up. All right, so let's talk about our 12-piece, take a peek over here, our 12-piece delicious dip delight. I have to tell you, we've incorporated our beautiful stoneware. So 2 of our Mila ramekins, both of those come with snap-on storage covers. So these are gonna be the perfect way to present and make what I'm about to show you next. We have included, and you have been asking for our 6 dip flavors. I have to tell you, these are amazing. You're not getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting all 6 of our dips, starting with our cheddar cheesy bacon, which has that beautiful cheddar smoky bacon flavor. Think about even adding that into mashed potatoes, and I'll show you how to make them in a minute. Here is our sassy sweet pepper. Our sassy sweet pepper maybe has a little bit more of a kick, but then it's cut with honey, so it has that beautiful flavor that you see there. Then we have our caramelized onion dip. Our caramelized onion dip is the perfect onion dip that probably you grew up making, now already made for you. Then head on over here to our delicious pickle dip. This is my absolute hands down fave. I love this with the fresh, vibrant taste of that dill. Our spunky spinach, nice, light, bright flavors that you see there. And last but not least, our sesame parm perfection. So now that you have what you're gonna make it in, now that you have what you're gonna put in it, how are you gonna mix it up? We've included 4 of our polka dot spatulas as well with the beautiful wood handle, silicone on the front and back, and the unique way that they're all shaped lets you scrape inside bowls and containers, and again, gives you all of the ability to get into every little nook and cranny. So 4 amazing polka dot spatulas, 6 delicious dips, and 2 of our ramekins make this our delicious dip delight. But let's talk about how to make it. All right, so when you're making our dips, there's 2 different ways you can do this. You can make it hot by melting it over a brick of cream cheese. Super easy, just put it right in the microwave in your Rammy and you're ready to go. We actually measured it out because I wanted to make it cold for you. So half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream. If you wanted to make it a little lighter, of course you can do that by doing light fat or low fat mayo and sour cream as well. I actually went full test here, but here we go. I added that already into the bowl. I'm gonna take my spatula, and just by starting to incorporate, and can we just talk really quick before I continue to mix, how you can see full particles, full flavor pieces of our dip. So when we're talking about our delicious pickle, we are talking about all of those great flavors that so many of us love, and you can truly see that every ingredient is something that you can say. So you're gonna go ahead and mix that up. Then all I ask is that you chill it for about an hour before you serve it, and that's just to let all of those flavors incorporate and come together. Do you see how easy it basically just melts right into the sour cream, right into the mayonnaise? Then just by tucking it into the refrigerator, everything will have a chance to all incorporate. Hello, that's just one of the dips already made. I'm gonna spoon it into our ramekin that's included in our amazing dip set. Our dip delicious delight, love that. All 12 pieces, 6 of our awesome flavored dips, 4 great silicone spatulas that you can mix and incorporate everything in. And then last but not least, we also included the 2 ramekins in our beautiful Mila pattern, which has that beautiful embossing that runs all the way around the edges and the fluting around the top as well. When you wanna go ahead and store it, snap that storage cover on, put it right in the fridge as I mentioned, but look, now serving it with your crackers, maybe you have something from your appetizers, you have your bottle of wine and your wine glasses. I have to tell you guys, we are so excited about this. Under $30, free shipping and handling, and you're going to receive 2 of our Mila ramekins, all 6 of our dips, our caramelized onion, our sassy sweet pepper, our cheddar cheesy bacon, our delicious pickle, spunky spinach, sesame parm, and also 4 of our silicone polka dot spatulas. This is not a choice of, you're not picking which dip, which spice, which baker. Everything is included. 12 pieces of our delicious dip delight coming to you for under $30. free shipping and handling, and the perfect time to incorporate it in the burgers that you're putting in the grill, to be making hot dips, cold dips, where we are home more, entertaining at home more with our family. This is gonna make you a rock star in the kitchen.